Welcome to the MyRobot.cloud lead generator tool, Fast Track. This 3-step process empowers your potential customers to simulate their box palletizing using your solution. Here's a quick overview. Customers receive an email containing links to a simulation where your palletizer showcases their product. As a result, you gain both their contact information and the simulation in your inbox, generating leads effortlessly. Let's dive into how to manage the Fast Track. Navigate to the Unhandled Leads section on the dashboard. Here you'll find all leads generated through the Fast Track along with the corresponding solutions. To add a solution, click on Add Fast Track Palletizer. Assign a name. Provide a brief description of the solution and set a starting price. You can choose an existing configuration or create a new one. For example, I'll select my UR20 configuration from the drop-down menu. Since I don't want a lifting column on this solution, I'll turn off lifting column optimization. Now either go to the simulation picture as a thumbnail or add a file of your choice and hit confirm. Customize the visibility of your added configurations in the Fast Track by using the selector. These links simulate specific relevant solutions while the Fast Track link at the top simulates all available solutions. Now let's explore how the Fast Track operates. Retrieve the Fast Track link by clicking Copy Partner's Fast Track link. The URL is versatile. You can include it in newsletter, add it to your website, integrate it as a QR code at trade shows, or even include it in your email signature. Share this link with your customers who will follow a straightforward process. Create a product. Choose from 10 pre-made patterns, set layers, and input basic metrics. Provide contact information and confirm they're not a robot. Upon completion, customers instantly receive a confirmation email and you receive the lead directly in your MyRobot.cloud account. Once the simulation concludes, customers receive another email with links to the simulation, which you can also view in MyRobot.cloud. Finish the lead by clicking the 3 dots and handle. You can see all the previously handled leads here. Now it's time to reach out to the customers, secure the project, and celebrate your successful lead generation with the Fast Track.